Hi, Hiram here. I got a comment from John over at Flat Cat Gear on that last video that I did on his ISO clean stove. He had said that, well, thanks for the demonstration. The production stoves do not have the integrated pot stand, but even if they do offer it, he's going to weld it in, not like this with the prototype that he sent me, where he has the pot stand going in through holes. On that first test, you saw the alcohol dripping out of there for some reason. He also said that he's currently recommending using 70% isopropyl alcohol, as the boil times are nearly the same as 91%, and you don't have the soot generation at the end of the burn. So I thought maybe I'd give that a try. I went out and bought another bottle, a new bottle of the 70%. Now this they call rubbing alcohol, but I'm hoping it's the same thing. But it is isopropyl 70. I have a fluid ounce of it here. Put that in the burner. Now this might be a little bit harder to start up. Let's try the light. Okay, give it the minute for the pre-start. Yeah, I was saying about how on the last video you saw the alcohol dripping down out of this hole, and I said that that could be dangerous if you're out in the woods and stuff, if you don't clean up the area where you put your stove. And I got a comment from one of my viewers saying no problem if that lights up a little bit of let me start that again. No problem if that lights up a little grass fire. Your soup will just heat up a mite faster. Nice idea. Won't mention any names, but the initials of that commenter was Barely Johnson. Everybody knows that you should have a clean area where you use these burners. I see a lot of videos out there where guys are just setting it in the grass or leaves or whatever. Okay, that's a minute. Let's put that on there. Let's go to camera 2 and let's see where this goes. Okay, there we have 210, 211, 212 at 7:04. Interesting. 2 cups of water to a full boil in 7 minutes and 4 seconds versus 8 minutes and 13 seconds with the 91% alcohol. Let's see how long it takes for this to run out now. I think the flames are starting to go out. And there we have the yellowing at the very end. And let's say 9 minutes and let's say 9:40. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Hot, hot, hot. That's what we have. Okay, there's, I don't know, not necessarily soot. There's a little bit of pebbling or something on here. No, it's not soot that comes off. So that's pretty clean. Interesting. Now this time there is a little residual fluid left over in this. Probably just water. I don't know, can you see this? That is just pouring out there. Couple of drops. Again, let me pour it back. Can you see that? I mean, not even probably a teaspoon or something. So that's what's left over from the water that's mixed in with this to make it 70% instead of the 91. So let's go over that. This time I used 70% isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, 1 fluid ounce. Brought 2 cups of water starting at, I think it was 59 degrees, to a full boil in 7 minutes and 4 seconds and ran out in 9 minutes and 40. On the other test, using the 91% isopropyl, time to boil was 8 minutes and 13, and time for run out was 16 minutes and 53 seconds. So faster burning. That's interesting. I would have thought the higher percentage alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, would have been a better burner. But maybe if you use bitter butter, never mind, let's not go there. Uh-oh, tell me I've got fumes here. So I guess John's right. Like you said, they're advocating using 70% instead of 91% isopropyl. Did get us a faster boil time by a little more than a minute, although it ran out faster. So it's a trade-off. So I look forward to your input on this. I thank John for this, for the information about the alcohol, for the use of the stoves. I thank you for watching. I look forward to your input, your questions, remarks, helpful suggestions. And as always, watch for my buddy Max. Bye now.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.